Imagine surviving 9 gunshots, coming back stronger, and building a $60 million empire. From hustling in the streets to dominating the rap game and making legendary business moves, Curtis, 50 Cent, Jackson is more than just a rapper. He's a mogul, an icon, and a real-life hustler. This is the story of how a kid from the rough streets of Queens became one of the biggest names in hip-hop and business. 50 Cent isn't just a musician, he's a brand, a force, and a true hustler. His music ruled the early 2000s, his business empire is worth millions, and his life story is the definition of rags to riches. But his journey to the top wasn't easy. It was filled with violence, betrayals, and resilience. From surviving a near-death experience to selling millions of albums and making hundreds of millions through business deals, 50 Cent is the perfect example of turning pain into power. This is his story. Curtis James Jackson III was born on July 6, 1975, in South Jamaica, Queens, New York, one of the toughest neighborhoods in America. His mother, Sabrina Jackson, was a drug dealer, and at just 8 years old, he lost her in a mysterious fire. After her death, life became even harder for young Curtis. By the age of 12, he was already selling drugs on the streets, carrying guns, and navigating the dangerous world of crime. But deep inside, he had a bigger dream: to make it as a rapper. In 1999, he signed with Columbia Records and was set to release his debut album. But before that could happen, tragedy struck. He was shot 9 times at close range. Bullets hit his hand, legs, and even his face. Miraculously, he survived. After 6 months of recovery, 50 Cent came back with a vengeance. Instead of giving up, he started releasing independent mixtapes. One of them, Guess Who's Back, caught the attention of Eminem and Dr. Dre. They immediately signed him to Shady Aftermath Records, and in 2003, he dropped his legendary album Get Rich or Die Tryin'. The album sold 8 million copies, and songs like In Dark Club, Many Men, and PIMP became global anthems. 50 Cent was no longer a hustler from Queens, he was a superstar. With fame and fortune pouring in, 50 Cent embraced the luxury lifestyle. Diamond chains, private jets, designer suits, and a garage full of supercars became his new reality. But 50 wasn't just about spending, he was about investing. One of his biggest business moves was partnering with Vitamin Water, which earned him a whopping $100 million plus when Coca-Cola bought the company. He also ventured into TV and film, creating Power, one of the most successful TV series in recent years. From music to business, 50 Cent proved that he was more than just a rapper, he was a businessman with a billionaire mindset. 50 Cent's car collection is as powerful as his personality. He owns some of the most expensive and exotic cars in the world, including a Lamborghini Aventador, a Rolls-Royce Phantom, a Ferrari 488, a Bugatti Chiron, a Bentley Mulsanne, and his custom Rolls-Royce, White Lightning. His garage is filled with high-performance machines that represent speed, power, and luxury, just like his career. From roaring engines to sleek designs, every car he owns is a statement of success. 50 Cent famously bought Mike Tyson's mega mansion in Connecticut, a 50,000 square foot estate with 21 bedrooms, 25 bathrooms, an indoor nightclub, a full-size basketball court, an indoor pool, and even a recording studio. The mansion was so massive that maintaining it reportedly cost $70,000 per month. Though he later supported multiple charities and even launched his Street King energy drink to help fight hunger in Africa. He believes in giving back and has helped underprivileged kids in the US and around the world. His philosophy is simple: if I can make it out, others can too. 50 Cent's personal life has been a roller coaster. He has had public feuds with rappers like Ja Rule, Floyd Mayweather, and The Game, but he has also built friendships with some of the biggest names in music and business. In terms of achievements, 50 Cent is a Grammy Award-winning artist, has won Billboard Music Awards, American Music Awards, and has sold over 30 million albums worldwide. Beyond music, his TV empire with Power and BMF has made him one of the most successful entertainment moguls in the industry. His influence isn't just in rap, he's a dominant force in music, TV, business, and pop culture. 50 Cent's journey is one of survival, hustle, and ultimate success. From selling drugs on the streets to selling millions of albums and closing multi-million-dollar business deals, he has proven that nothing is impossible. The fact that he survived 9 bullets, built a $60 million empire, and continues to dominate the industry proves one thing: real hustlers never quit. He turned pain into power, struggles into success, and setbacks into comebacks. 50 Cent isn't just a rapper, he's a living legend. If you found 50 Cent's journey inspiring, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want more powerful stories like this, don't forget to subscribe. Comment below, what's your favorite 50 Cent song?